Yo, what is up, guys?
What's good?
Welcome back to, I'm not even going to keep using episodes, just welcome back to the Adventure Bros.
Episode
9? I think we're in episode 9.
Episode 10.
I think it's 9.
It's 9.
Yeah, $50 is 9. So yeah, welcome back, guys, and today we're at the first hike that we actually did.
Where it all started.
Yeah, where it all started.
Origin story.
Here it is. I think you just saw it, but
No, is it Kloofendal?
yeah, it's Kloofendal.
Kloofendal.
Almost forgot the name. But yeah, so here we are, and we are going to be doing a 4K. I think it's just short of 4K. It's really easy.
Trying to get back into things.
Yeah, won't take you more than an hour. But someone went and hurt his knee.
Excuse me, Paul, who's that guy?
So yeah, it's going to take a bit of effort to get back into it, but it's a pretty hike.
Yeah, it's a family hike. How do you say? How do you rate it again?
Yeah, family hike.
It's a family hike. It's gonna be pretty good, you know. First hike, nostalgia. It's where it all started. This is where the concept started.
Yeah, this is actually where we conceptualized the Adventure Bros.
Adventure Bros.
So yeah, it's a really cool sort of homage to come back here. And look behind us. It's actually an amphitheater.
But none of this has moved since.
Yeah, they don't use this amphitheater anymore. But now they store hay bales for, I don't know, horses or something.
Are the horses here?
I've never seen a horse here, but
I swear this haystack is the same as we came here the first day. But yeah, guys, we're gonna hit this hike. We're energetic. We're excited. You know, let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah, we'll catch you on the trail, and we got some cool stuff that we're going to talk about when we get there, and all of those funky things.
That guy up there.
And there's already someone at the top, so we got to get moving.
Let's go.
Peace.
Away.
What's up, guys?
What's good, guys?
So we're literally 200 meters from when you last saw us, but we are at the cool dam. So
let me try to get
check this out.
Let me try to get it up there. Yeah, we're like this little dam here.
Damn, bro. And it's nice and pretty.
It's nice and pretty. Just getting some footage. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. There's a dam. This is Kloofendal, man. It's got like some nice scenery as usual. Got a couple of people here. It's pretty busy compared to last time.
Yeah, because last time we came it was just after the COVID lockdown.
Yeah.
So there were like 5 people on the trail.
And how many masks do we see?
And there's no masks. There's like nobody's wearing masks.
There's no masks. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. The dam hasn't filled up. I want to see this whole area.
Yeah, check this out, guys.
Check this. So there's this like area. Okay. Yeah. The little area here where it gets what? It gets full, right?
Yeah. Well, it pours down.
It pours down.
So it makes like a little river.
Yeah, that'd be cool to see. Probably see it when.
Probably December, end of December.
If we're around in December.
Yeah, maybe we'll come back in December. We'll make this like a every 2-month thing.
Definitely, yeah. I feel it's a good place to have that hike, bro. Where everybody just comes and you have like a little hike.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, I will check you guys up there at the top. Yeah.
And yeah, enjoy, guys. We'll catch you now.
How's it? We're back again. Here's the map. Ooh, legs. Here's the map. We're doing the yellow route, right?
Yeah.
We're doing the yellow route, guys. It's the longest one. But there's other ones, there's shorter ones. Come over there, you have the... Is this Darcy or Daisy?
Darcy.
Darcy. We have the Rocky Ridge. This is the one we're doing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the Struben. I think the Struben is the one that's... There's one on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah, no, it's not the Struben though.
It's not the Struben. I think it's the wetland, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're doing a couple of... You can see the couple of routes you have over here. So if you're a beginner, don't try to do the 3.5 immediately, guys. Trust me, you know, it gets pretty hectic up there. And yeah, we're gonna hit it, guys, and we'll check in on it. After how many months?
This a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And this a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And this a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest.
In my day, we would have finished this hike in 45 minutes. Look at these two idiots walking around taking their sweet time. So, welcome back, guys. We are, well, us and Uncle Joe are about, what did you say? Bongs? About a kilometer and a half in?
Yeah, kilometer and a half.
Yeah, so about a kilometer and a half in. It's a nice little incline, you know, nothing too complex. It's not rustic, but you know, it's fun. And the view from here is great if you want to have a look.
It's a bed, you know, yeah, but it's pretty cool.
So the thing is, it's a good family hike. You don't have to worry about are your kids gonna manage or not. You can do it, get a nice view, that awesome little dam at the bottom there. And you know, if you want to take it all the way, there's a nice little trail that goes up here and behind.
Take us to the trail, bro.
And yeah, so let's go up.
this a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And this a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And this a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it.
Hey guys, so we're out here in the middle of nature, no civilization around, none whatsoever. Never mind. Sorry guys, got some fresh townhouses right here. Enjoy your view, see somebody's TV, have a good time. Dumelang,
Bintang
Kunjani.
Nat.
Isn't that your sister? What's up guys? We are coming near the end.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd just drop a little footage while we walk and talk and whatever that is.
Yeah.
Soon he's gonna start flossing, I'm pretty sure of it.
Yeah, we're almost done with the hike. Yeah, it's been fun, eh? It's been fun, right?
Yeah bro, it's been fresh. And yeah. So actually I think maybe now's a good time. If I put my other camera on you. What do you think of the hike, bro?
Family hike, as we said.
Mm-hmm.
It's really just like a little family day, walking around, trying to get fit. It's a fit hike, fitness hike. Not really scenery-wise.
Sorry, what was that?
You know, yeah, it's in the city hike.
But also
you have like a nice scenery, you know, some points are nice, but you always come across cars, civilization, so you really can't get away from the everyday life.
yeah, lots of people.
Yeah, that's a disadvantage. But otherwise, I mean, if you want to get fit, if you want to enjoy with your family, if you want to have fun, if you just want to have a nice day away, around 2 hours of your time, it'll be perfect. Afterwards, have some lunch, you know, they've got some braai stands, right?
Yeah.
The braai stands, they have
Nice little area just
nice
to chill.
area to
It's
chill.
like a, I don't know, that covered area.
Yeah,
which
covered
is decent.
area, and you'll meet a lot of people, you know. Everybody's pretty friendly here, greeting each other. So I think, yeah. Otherwise, family hike. It's a family hike. Scenery, Instagram. Categorize it around Instagram, right?
Out of 10?
And out of 10, I'd give it a scenery. I'd give it a 5, 6. Because it's not amazing, but it's good enough. You look like you're hiking. And what else? Difficulty? 3, 4, depending on how long you're gonna go for, what kind of hike you want. And what else is there?
The hike. So basically scenery, difficulty,
and overall.
Yeah.
So overall, we're gonna call it a family hike, which is around out of 5, it's around
3.5.
3.5. Yeah, family
Right
hike.
in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, just above it.
Scenery, we're giving it a 4, 5.
Yeah.
Instagram level, nice pictures.
Yeah.
And overall difficulty.
Speaking of, don't forget to Instagram us
Oh yeah.
at the Adventure Bros _
Yeah.
SA.
Adventure Bros. Hit us on our YouTube, guys. You know what it is.
Yep.
Catch all our videos. You get to see me all the time. I don't know about this guy. Yeah, but you get to see me all the time. Also, our what else is there, Paul? Hit me up here, bro.
Instagram,
YouTube,
Facebook.
We have the good old website.
Yeah.
Website, Patreon.
Bros.Origin.
Hit our Patreon up. And yeah.
Yeah, also keep your eyes because we are planning a charity hike. So there might be a cool hike happening. If you're in Gauteng, I think you'll probably dig it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we want to raise money for charity and you'll get more details soon. We'll shoot a special video just for it so you can see what it's all about.
Please, man, just it's been a tough time, you know. It's been difficult for everyone. Just trying to help people out. I mean, we're still recovering, but it's still pretty hectic. So, yeah, just overall trying to give back and stuff like that, you know, in a fun way. You get to do it in a fun way. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, if you want to do something for a good cause, keep an eye. It's happening soon. And yeah, you'll get all the details. So yeah, check this out. Mr. Cool Cat.